Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit a folder name in GitHub. This is a straightforward process that allows you to keep your repository organized and properly labeled, which is especially important when you're managing multiple projects or collaborating with a team. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard where you can see all your repositories and recent activity. In the upper left panel of your dashboard, you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where the folder you want to rename is located. This will take you directly into that specific repository, showing you all the files and folders it contains. Now, locate and click on the folder you want to edit. This will open up the folder and display all the files and subfolders within it. GitHub's interface makes it easy to navigate through your project structure, so you should be able to find what you're looking for quickly. In the left panel, select the specific folder or file that you need to work with. This step is important because it ensures you're targeting the exact item you want to rename, preventing any accidental changes to other parts of your repository. Once you've selected the file or folder, look to the right panel where you'll find several action buttons. Click on the Edit This File button, which is represented by a pencil icon. This button opens the editing interface where you can make changes to your file or folder structure. Navigate to the top toolbar, and here's where you'll actually edit your folder name. Simply type in the new name you want for your folder. Make sure the name is clear and descriptive so that anyone accessing the repository can understand what the folder contains at a glance. After you've entered the new folder name, scroll down and click the Commit Changes button. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm this action. Click Commit Changes again to finalize the update. This second confirmation ensures that you're intentionally making this change to your repository, and that's it. You've successfully edited your folder name in GitHub, making your repository more organized and easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.